everybody, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we'll be unboxing the Western Digital My Passport wireless SSD. They've had different versions of this. This is the newer version without any moving parts as far as the hard drive is concerned. It's just an SSD. Comes with a SD card reader, and this one is 1 terabyte in size. It also can come with up to 2 terabytes of SSD storage, and that of course is a little bit more money. So it's a simple 4-step process to get everything going. You can even recharge your phone from this device as well. So it's a portable battery. It is a little bit larger than usual portable wireless storage devices, but we like this because you can bring it with you and use it up to, I believe it's 8 or 10 devices. And it comes with a bumper. As you can see, it's a rubber bumper around here, so even if you drop it, it's protected. This is a wireless SSD model. You have your 2 indicator lights here, and this is where your SD card slot is. So all you have to do is put your SD card in from your camera, and then there's a one-touch button right here, and that will copy your files, and then you're off to the races yet again to take some more photos. There's your power button, your USB 3.0 port, and another USB port there. And that's it for the ports and buttons, and it's a little bit larger than my hand. So not too big, but also not too small, and it provides power for your phone if you need it. So that's the device itself. Then you have some more documentation here. Here's a cable that they've included, the USB 3.0 cable, and the charging adapter. So they give you everything you need for this device to work. This is the Western Digital My Passport wireless SSD with 1 terabyte of space. Thank you.